Hey Cam fam, welcome back to Keeping Up with Cam. Today we have a new braided hairstyle video for you. It is actually a really nice style that I put together when we were getting ready to go to watch Disney on Ice, which Cam loved, by the way. So this style worked up very quickly. It looked great and it lasted a long time, which is I think the best part of this style. So before we get into the video, if you're new here, can you please hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already? I promise you won't regret it. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, and we love hearing from you guys in the comment section down below, so keep those comments coming. Let us know if you've tried these styles, if you have any requests for styles, or anything else you'd like us to know. And we will catch you guys in the next video. Okay guys, so this curly kids mixed hair, hair care, frizz control paste. Whew, if that's not a mouthful, I don't know what is. But what I can tell you is this thing works magic. Like, absolutely in love with this product. The next video that I do is going to be highlighting just this product. You won't want to miss it. Pick this up. So after parting the hair in two horizontally, you're going to then take that back section and part that in half as well. We're going for a look with this style that is like, you know, when you fade the sides of the person's hair and they just have the hair on the top of the head and they kind of have like two braids going back or like four braids going back. That's the look that we're going for, or the illusion that we're going for, minus the whole shaving the sides of their head thing, because that's not happening here. So just keep that in mind when you're parting the hair. Okay, so time to apply the magic. I went in with a little dabble at first because I didn't know how much I should use, but as you can see, I am going to go back and add more. Don't be shy. Just put what you think your child's hair needs at the time, depending on if you're doing it just in braids, if you're doing a ponytail. Whatever style you're going for, just make sure that you're applying enough. Side note, if you guys pay attention closely to his high chair, you will see the numerous amount of snacks and food that I had to give him so early in the morning to keep him from just going nuts and not letting me complete his hair. But I mean, a popsicle at 10 in the morning to get this hairstyle done. If I gotta do it, I gotta do it. So I'm just going in, braiding the hair as I normally would. After you apply the product and you brush it through, comb it through, whichever method you choose, you will see that it makes the hair a lot easier to manage while you're braiding. So you don't have to worry about flyaways or worry about, you know, anything not sitting right, because this thing does its job. Making sure that you brush this part of the hair upward is very important, because when you're braiding these sections on the side, you want to maintain the braid in the middle of the part until you get to a certain point where you want it to then start to slant up, because the whole image of this hairstyle is a ponytail slash bun in the back of the hair. So if the hair is being braided downward, you won't be able to catch it all into a ponytail in the back. So you want to braid it in the middle, then slant up, and you want to bring that hair from the bottom of the head, just make sure it's going upwards. And that's what this curling paste is for, because it'll allow for the hair to stay laid, to not move, essentially as gel would do in our hair, without it being gel, without it damaging their hair, without us having to worry at all. So make sure we're brushing upward and we're just taking that hair and bringing it up with us as we braid. So the paste does leave this kind of like white residue while it's still wet. Don't worry about this. This is totally normal, and it doesn't do it on all parts. Like, this was like the only braid out of all of them that this happened to, but it will dry clear and it will dry quickly. So you can choose either an elastic band or a hair tie, whichever your preference is. I did go with the elastic, the little mini one, just because it gives a less bulkier look to the hairstyle when it's finished. But if you're working with hair that's a little bit longer or thicker, definitely go with the hair tie. So I wasn't too sure what the hair product would dry, like the paste, what it would look like. So I did just go over the hair and add some oil to it, just for, you know, assurance. But it's not necessary. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but there's definitely no harm in adding a little oil, a little shine, to a hairstyle. And voila, this is the finished product, guys. Look at it. So I gave you guys a little de-tying of the do-rag, just to see what it looked like while we were ready to leave, after the product's dried, after everything's done its job. So we hope you guys liked the video. This style did last us a long time. I'm going to be giving that new video on a review of the product, so please stay tuned for that one. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Leave us a comment, ask us some questions for this new video. And if anything, we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.